In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location on Google Chrome. This process is quite simple and shouldn't take longer than a couple of minutes. It's a great little trick to help you customize your browsing experience, so let's dive right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and navigate to Google's homepage. You can do this by typing in google.com in the address bar and pressing enter. This will bring you to the world's most popular search engine's main page. Now, once you're there, you need to locate the settings option. Near the bottom right corner of the page, you will see a gear icon. Click on that to access the search settings. Once in the search settings, look for the option labeled Other Settings. You will typically find this under the list of search preferences. Click on it to proceed. This is where you will manage various parameters related to your search activity and personal preferences. Next, you'll want to click on Language and Region. This section allows you to alter language and regional settings, which includes the location from which Google associates your browsing activity. So go ahead and select it to open the relevant options. Once you're in the Language and Region section, focus your attention on the Results Region option. Click on this, and it will prompt a dialog that allows you to indicate a preferred region for your search results. This is crucial because the results region determines a lot of the localized content you will see when searching in Google. Now comes the exciting part. Type in the search bar within the results region section. This is where you enter the location you want to set for your browsing session. For instance, if you want to receive search results specific to France, you'll type France in this bar. Take a moment to ensure you've typed it correctly and that it matches the location preferences you desire. Having done that, you will see a list of options related to the location you've typed. Select the specific region you want from this list. It provides you the flexibility to choose from a broader list of cities and countries. Finally, click on the Confirm button. This last step ensures that all the changes you've made are saved and activated. Voila! You've successfully changed your location on Google Chrome, which should now reflect on your future searches and adjust the kind of content you'll see based on the region you've selected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have customized Google Chrome to display search results from the location of your choice. This can be exceptionally helpful for expats, travelers, or anyone looking to see search results as they would appear in a different location. Happy browsing!